3, 2, 1. Remind me to get the footage off of this of the people that drove by and were like, what the f***?
Okay.
Alright. Look at the dog.
I know. Just drooling all over the place.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh man, my phone's actually in a really bad spot.
Oh, this would be good now that I got the GoPro running.
Yeah.
Because I can get everyone's reactions.
Oh, this is going to be good.
Clicking. So we got Thor driving us around today. Say what's up, Thor.
What's up? I got my hammer now.
Yeah, he does. Mjolnir's in the house.
Alright, I'm getting in the right lane so I can actually be a jackass.
There you go. Yeah, that's what's best. Happy New Year. We're just cruising around Loveland. We live in Loveland / Fort Collins area. You see us cruising around. We're heading 287 north right now. About to hit, what's the street right here?
71st.
71st. About to hit 71st. Yeah, so the ground isn't quite good enough yet to cruise the Vette or the bike. I don't know, there's still some slushy, icy areas, so cruising the Jeep. So if you see a blue Jeep cruising around Loveland, Fort Collins area, and you see this guy and Thor, that's us. Say hey. I just wish my GoPro was. First time on your live stream. Welcome. Let's go.
Well, I don't.
The world.
Legend has it motivated, sleeps in his helmet.
Who is that?
This is very true. Here.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Alyssa is.
Alyssa's over here. And we're cruising in the Jeep.
Have a good day. I will. You too.
Hogwarts? No, I'm Fat Thor.
How old are you? I've always wondered. Really? Oh yeah. One more year after that until we go to Vegas. Who's going to Vegas with us?
Vegas. Heck yeah.
We're from South Australia. What's up?
Sorry guys, I'm not able to read the comments very well, so because I am driving.
Single daddy. I don't know what that means. Like, are you the new Jason?
What's up, Five Finger?
No. No, I'm not.
What's up, Banner Rose?
How was your day? Pretty good so far. Slept in, got some well-needed rest, so that was nice. And then finally crawled out of bed, and now I'm hanging out with the God of Thunder. Where's your hammer?
My Hummer. It's right there.
Let me just borrow that real. Yeah, never mind. I didn't want to anyway. It's fine. It's fine. We'll just leave that there.
It's fine. We'll just leave that there.
I didn't want it anyway. I'm going to travel this whole world.
Uh-oh. We have a cop in front of us.
Oh.
Will we get in trouble?
A cop? No, for what? What?
Because, I don't know. I'm scared.
Because it feels illegal?
Yes.
It probably will be soon. Like, no spreading joy.
Do you have your mask on?
Yeah.
No.
See, I have my mask on, so we're good. Spicy Moto, what up?
Spicy Moto over there?
Spicy Moto's in the house. You have 3 more friend mails coming. You got.
Oh crap! I forgot. I gotta check my friend mail.
All right, we'll go hit the post office. Check the friend mail. Dude.
Oh my God! You want to go to Cane's? We can get in.
Cane's?
We can get in. Look at that. It's all. Oh, they're closed.
They're closed.
Never mind.
And we'll try to stay in our lane here.
Oh, was I in my other lane?
Well, just a little drifting.
Just a little drifting? Okay.
The Cane's drooling.
Well, they're closed, so it sucks because we can't get Cane's.
It's like hello from Denmark. What's good? Is the Cane's line bad? No, not at all. There's no line at all. I wouldn't recommend going there because it's closed, but
he'll be waiting a while.
he'll be waiting until tomorrow or some point. Fortnite Gamer 2490. Happy New Year.
Oh, there's some police officers. We can wave at them.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Yeah.
Those lady police officers. They ignored us.
They did. We're not cool.
Hi from Russia. What's good?
Here, do me a favor. Hold this.
Oh God! Come on, man. You have to put it right there. Hold on. Let me get. Okay. I'll just keep this. I'll just keep that right there, I guess.
You good?
I'm good.
Now the question is, do you feel it?
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
I'm losing circulation. Oh, God.
There we go. Chiba Hut! Have you ever had Chiba Hut?
I have. It's quite delicious, to be honest.
It is.
I think so.
I love how they name everything after marijuana, essentially.
Yeah.
Do you want a pinner? Do you want... What is the next one up?
I don't even know what they are.
But all I know is like, yeah, can I get a blunt, White Widow? Yeah, give me one of them.
Why does he look like that? The blonde hair? Thor, you gotta say, lean over and say hey over here.
What's up, everybody? Oh, God, stay straight in the lane.
You're trying to amazing.
I have to ask you something. How the hell do you ride a bike with that visor on? This hair is all in my eyes and I can't see, and it's like making me nervous as hell. So you must have like a third eye or something.
That's just guesswork, man.
Oh, it's just guesswork.
Ride by braille. If I start hitting the bumps, I just move over a little bit. Oh, no.
What if someone starts screaming? Like, ah!
Well, then, yeah, that's a good indication to not go that way as well. Jay,
I hear sirens.
I do appreciate that. Sirens. Uh-oh.
I'm just making sure I'm not hearing crap.
No, I hear some sirens. Ever made TikTok no helmet on?
The looks people are
once.
giving us is absolutely worth it.
I did one face reveal on TikTok. You'd have to scroll through it to see it though. Uh-oh. Well, all right. So, but yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there.
I need to get you on World of Warships, man. You'll like that.
Oh, no, we do have to try that out, huh?
We do. And you can even play it on your Mac.
Oh, okay. Well, even better.
Yeah.
That chair's nice and comfy in there.
Yeah. Yeah, we should make it happen. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one right there.
Thank you for the...
Whee!
Working my way out of that hole, if you will.
Hi!
Those girls were like, what am I looking at? Oh my God.
All right, next one's yours.
Anyway, yeah, all right.
There you go.
Hello. No, they're on the move.
This guy's like doing like little bird faces to his girlfriend. So I'm gonna do little bird faces to you.
I don't know if he's doing this to his girlfriend. I doubt that's a bird face.
They're gonna notice me. They're like, "I'm gonna kick your ass."
Yeah.
Okay.
Let him try.
I'll set on you and then I'll fart.
You got the hammer though, dude. You got Mjolnir. We're good. We're set.
Where is my hammer?
Deadpool needs to come down to 58th and Broadway and meet Dragon, and he will buy the first round. What's 58th and Broadway?
I think that's in Denver.
Oh.
Road trip.
Road trip. Denver road trip. I do have to go down to Denver one day, and the Springs, and yeah, all the areas. Oh, and we got to go to Cheyenne as well.
Ooh, yeah, Cheyenne.
Yep.
Yeah. I keep wanting to, fuck it.
Wave your hammer at people. Oh, it's going out the window. People are gonna take that as a threat, dude. For sure, they're like, what? Look at this maniac and his mask.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God. Hey, if you want to have a good time, dress up like a couple of idiots like us and go cruise around. You get the best, worst looks ever.
Oh, you know what? They're gonna be like, what the hell are those guys doing? They're so weird. My God.
Especially if they have no idea who we are or what we do. Just like,
It could also make people go, we just moved to Colorado for this?
yeah,
Let's
okay,
move back.
and I'm leaving. He's, you know, poking a little fun, making fun of me and my short legs on there and stuff like that. So it's whatever. It's whatever. But anyway.
You can hear him trying to get on his bike.
Hey, man. I got these little legs, bro. Leave me alone.
Which still, we still have not broke the 100 follower gain from one of our live streams, or 20 follower gain from YouTube.
Nope.
I have a video of him stuck in my driveway because of how short his legs are. I still have yet. I will not release it until I gain 100 followers from one of our lives on either YouTube or TikTok.
Well, there you have it. Do not go follow Corvette Guy.
Go follow Corvette Guy. I want to release it.
Because that video does not need to see public.
Oh, yes, it does.
Nope.
Oh, I'm getting follows over here.
You better not be. You better not be.
I'm getting follows.
Nope. I refuse to believe it.
And see, here's the best part. We have a GoPro facing us, so I can replay this whole thing and put it up on YouTube too. So then people are going to start knowing that there's a video I'm holding on to for a special occasion.
I hope you're happy with yourself.
Oh, I am.
Yo, what's up, Wyatt?
You got Wyatt over there?
Wyatt's on fire.
What's up, Wyatt?
He's heating it up. Let's go.
Oh, here comes the red light. We're going to get the camera ready.
CO Corvette Guy? CO_Corvette Guy. Oh, wait, no. I'm just kidding. That's not it. Don't go to his live stream right now. Because he has his hammer out. And he's waving it at people. Oh, people don't know what to think of you at all.
The guy behind me, the guy's taking a picture behind me.
The guy in front of us, too. Oh. What's up, dude? He's like, you see his face? He's like, what? What am I seeing right now? Oh my god. Yo, we need to get a 360 camera.
Yeah, we do.
I only have like, what, 11,000 something?
Here, hold this for me.
Oh, come on, man. Alright. Well, Neilman's in my lap now, so I guess that's happening. Okay. Do you like cars? Love cars. Possibly more than bikes?
Possibly?
Possibly. It's hard to say. I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna wait with these people. We gotta wait.
Originally, oh, okay.
Hi!
Oh my god, that poor lady. Oh, she should have worn her brown pants.
Oh shit!
Poor thing. Oh my god. Nuts crushing. Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
Ah, I appreciate it. Thanks. Not if it's like icy, snowy, wet, because yeah. No.
Whoa! What the f are you doing?
Oh, that is a one-way, sir.
I think you realized it.
One way.
I got that on camera.
Yeah, that almost looked like it was going to be a fun head-on.
Let's see, what kind of reaction can I get out of this guy?
What guy? The one
Guy coming up next to us. Oh, I can't see him.
Oh man, those are like limo tint windows.
Yeah, that's like, you're not gonna see what we doing, boy.
Yeah, 'cause it's drugs.
Drugs. Yeah, it's getting dark quick.
Here we go. Phone work. The work can't drive.
What?
Someone said you can't drive. What are you doing back? Hey, they said it. They said it, not me. Come on, man. Get this thing off. Oh, see what you did?
This is for you.
Comments here. Can you poke the guy next to you? Well, there you go. All right, y'all. Well, thank you for joining my New Year live stream. We might jump on later. We'll see how things go. But I appreciate everyone.
Say bye to your friends for me.
Oh God! Now look, Mjolnir's on me. Great. I hope you're all happy about yourself. But I love y'all. I hope you have an amazing New Year. I hope your New Year's Eve and New Year's Day was safe and fun. And you know, let's make 2021 a much better year than 2020, huh? All right. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye.